Yo guys, quick video. You wouldn't believe what we just saw here at the gas station. You never think you see this kind of stuff until like it actually friggin' happens, dude.
Yo,
be careful, man.
crazy,
It might be like HIV positive. Guys, you see this shit on Instagram like all the time. Guys, that's a friggin' syringe up in the gas.
That's fucked. Yo,
like,
yo, let's see if there's one like here, maybe? Yo, there's another one here, bro.
Dude, there's two of them. Both sides, guys. Look, it's like you put your hand. We were just putting my hand. Like all of a sudden, if somebody puts their hand, guys, HIV instantly.
That's fucked.
That's messed up, guys. Yo, go inside. See if you can get like a paper towel for me, dude. I'm gonna try to take this out of here for someone gets hurt. Guys, I've seen this kind of stuff before. Like they put like needles inside of the clothing racks in clothing stores. So you're just looking for your size. Boom, HIV instantly, guys. Spread this shit around, guys. Like you guys gotta be careful. Like next time you're getting gas, you be careful where you put your hand in. It could happen to anybody.
There's no paper towels, bro.
All right, will you hold this? I'm gonna get it out with my hands, guys.
Yo, careful.
Yeah, guys, I don't know if this is HIV. Oh my God. See if some, like, look at that. Look. Is that focusing?
Yeah.
Man, could be some dirty needle. Actually, it looks like there is something red color on there. Messed up, guys. I don't even know how to properly dispose of this kind of needle, man. Like, honestly. Okay, let's get the other one real quick. Guys, just stopping by, pulling up, getting gas. And luckily, I just saw this stuff like not too long ago on Instagram, but I guess this stuff is pretty widespread. Holy, look, that one still got some liquid in it, bro. You see there's like a bubble in there? Messed up. All right, guys, so just a quick one. Spread that shit around, guys. We don't want anybody getting hurt. There's some sick people out in the friggin' world here, guys. Peace.